Nokia 3 has received its Android 8.0 Oreo beta update. HMD Global Chief Product Officer Juho Sarvikas at the company's pre-MWC 2018 press conference on Sunday revealed the arrival of the new update alongside mentioning the release of Android Oreo beta update for the Nokia 2. The executive stated that the beta update would reach the Nokia 2 in the next few weeks. He notably announced the Android Oreo beta update for the Nokia 3 late last month. To install Android Oreo beta update to your Nokia 3, you need to sign up for the Nokia Beta Labs and then provide your IMEI number for an approval. Once approved, you'll get a notification for the update that will help you download the update package. You should use a Wi-Fi connection to download the update and are recommended to back up your personal data before beginning the update process. As per the screenshot provided by a Twitter user, the Android Oreo beta update for the Nokia 3 is around 1.6 GB in size and includes core Android 8.0 Oreo features such picture-in-picture mode, notification dots, Google Play Protect security scans, autofill passwords, and faster boot up. The update also brings the February Android security patch. Launched in June last year with Android 7.0 Nougat, the Nokia 3 review received an update to Android 7.1.1 in August. The smartphone is one of the affordable models by HMD Global, priced at Rs 9,499. It has a 5-inch HD display and comes with a 1.3 GHz quad-core MediaTek 6737 SoC, paired with 2 GB of RAM. There is also 16 GB of onboard storage and a 2650 mAh battery.